Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of removing a debit card from your Shiftsmart account. Shiftsmart, now integrated with Instacart, allows gig workers to access earnings quickly. Knowing how to manage your payment methods, including removing a card, is crucial for security and control over your finances. As of 2026, Shiftsmart has enhanced security measures, making this process straightforward yet secure. There are several reasons why you might want to remove a debit card from your Shiftsmart account. One common reason is switching to a different payment method, such as direct deposit, which often comes with lower fees and better convenience. Another important reason is for security. If your card has been compromised, removing it helps protect your account from unauthorized access. In fact, direct deposit adoption among Shiftsmart users has risen 25% year over year, showing the growing preference for this method. First, open the Shiftsmart app on your iOS or Android device, or log in via the Shiftsmart website. Navigate to the Settings section. Then select Payments or Wallet. Look for an option like Manage Cards. This is where you'll find the debit card you wish to remove. Once you've located the debit card in your payment settings, select it to proceed. You should see options like Remove or Update for the selected debit card. Choose Remove to begin the removal process. Remember, Shiftsmart requires you to have another payment method added before you can remove the last one to avoid payout disruptions. Shiftsmart no longer supports physical card issuance by default. All new accounts default to digital-only options. Step 3 focuses on two-factor authentication, or 2FA, which was made mandatory in 2025 for all payment method changes. This extra security layer ensures only you can make changes to your account. The first verification method is receiving a code via SMS. You'll get a unique code sent to your phone that you enter into the app to confirm the removal. The second method uses biometric verification, either through fingerprint scanning or facial recognition. This modern approach provides quick and secure authentication without needing to remember codes. This verification step is crucial because it prevents unauthorized individuals from making changes to your payment methods, protecting your hard-earned funds from potential fraud. If the card you're removing is your only payment method, you'll need to add a new one before proceeding. Shiftsmart supports various options, including other debit cards, bank accounts, or digital wallets like Venmo. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely add your new payment method. Post-2024 updates emphasize user control, with automated alerts for any payment method changes sent via email and SMS. Shiftsmart employs end-to-end encryption to protect your financial data during transmission. This security measure ensures that only you and the platform can access your information. Additionally, Shiftsmart complies with PCI DSS standards, which are global security requirements for handling payment card information safely. If your debit card has been compromised, removing it from your account will immediately trigger an automatic freeze on any associated funds. Refunds are typically processed within 48 hours to minimize your risk. Finally, always ensure you're using the official Shiftsmart app or website to avoid phishing scams. These fraudulent attempts can trick you into revealing sensitive information. If you encounter any issues during the removal process, such as problems with two-factor authentication or delays in card updates that can take up to 3 business days, consult Shiftsmart's help resources within the app or contact their support team directly. Looking ahead, expect more integration with digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, providing convenient, contactless payment options that enhance user experience and security. Some experts predict AI-driven payment assistance could suggest updates based on your spending patterns, while direct deposit adoption continues to grow for its lower fees and better security. Stay informed about these trends and regulatory changes, such as enhanced consent requirements for payment updates. Remember, for the latest updates, always consult Shiftsmart's official app or website as policies evolve rapidly.